here I've got the Napa Gold filter, and I picked this up last night. It was $6, which really surprised me, because for the filter it seems very cheap. I mean, it's a sturdy filter, so but I'm going to say, and I don't have a ton of experience, but I'm going to say that that filter there is better than K&N, because a K&N filter, you have to oil it and then wash it, and who knows if you're actually getting any benefit in airflow, or any noticeable benefit of more airflow. And if you over oil it after you wash your K&N filter, it actually restricts airflow. So for $6, you can't really beat it. The old filter was pretty nasty, so I'm hoping that helps performance just a little bit. And then the other night I pulled my battery, so I'll be installing that again. And I wanted to, it's pretty oily, I wanted to get my my battery ready to go, because every other year I'm ready to start it and my battery's dead. So over there I've got my battery all charged up. So first thing, we have to undo the wing nut here. And then that comes right off. And then the filter is really easy to change. That's all there is to it. So, and then you put the cover back on, and you have to get the bolt lined up, and there we are through. And then there's little arrows, one here and one here on the other side, or on either side of this. It lines up with this. The engine bay is pretty dusty. Might have to blow it out when I get a chance to get the car out. But then you put the wing nut back on, and that's it for that. And then we'll get the battery in here. Everybody knows how to do that. It's a little bit more difficult with my positive going back to the new amp from well, last fall when I installed it, but not really anything to worry about. You just tighten that one first, and then you go and tighten the nut, which tightens the cable. So catch you after. Started up first time this year. There's still lots of snow on the ground. We had probably close to 3 feet, or go.